work with anyone in our community, regardless of faith, languages, and organization. And we welcome everybody. And again, I want to thank everyone and enjoy. Thank you.
Thank you very much for everyone, and it's really glad and appreciate for your kind words to participate with us. It's amazing. And so next, we are going to commemorate the Buddha birthday, enlightenment, and passing away. So we're doing this commemorating our remembrance by parody. So we're going to join a group. So now we are done in this hall, and we are going to organize a parade outside in commemorating the birthday and enlightenment and Mahavira. So to show that, to announce that we have conquered the obstacles, the difficulties, and we are, promoting for peace. Because, without the support from all venerable monks, the committee members, the monks from different states and other countries, we wouldn't do